Hello. We are going to study two-digit numbers plus and minus one-digit numbers group B. Find the sum, 19 plus 1. We add 1 with 9. 2 tens is equal to 20. Do the addition using the number table, 19 plus 4. When we drag to the right side, the number increases by one digit. So, to add 4 to 19 we drag 4 times to the right. 23. When we drag down one time the number increases by 10. 56 plus 8. We round 8 to 10, then subtract 2. Also, dragging to the left side the number decreases by 1. 64. Make an addition sentence using the number cards. 34. We know that is should be 20 here. Now, it is 14 here. 14 minus 5 or minus 9. Also, we can change the places of 9 and 5. The result doesn't change. Now, 11 minus 4 or minus 7. Find the difference. Find the subtraction. We round down 32 to 30, or, round up 9 to 10. 32 minus 10 plus 1 is equal to 23. Change the addition sentence to a subtraction. Thank you. We will study two-digit numbers group A next. You can download this program at k9math.com.